My name is Eshaan with EcoLogic Energy Solutions. Today we're going to talk about preventative maintenance. Some of this preventative maintenance would be performed by the homeowner, and other preventative maintenance would be performed by a professional HVAC technician. Preventative maintenance is essential not only for optimal performance of your heat pump, but also the longevity of it. One of the main things we encourage our homeowners to do once they've had their heat pumps installed is to regularly maintain, replace, or clean their air filters. I always suggest people refer to their owner's manuals, as each model and make could vary slightly. This particular model, the air filters actually are removed from the cover, so it opens up. The filters was one on each side, both located in tracks, which you can't miss. Again, very user-friendly for the homeowners to ensure that you're removing them and putting them back in the same spot. We suggest the homeowners rinse their filters off under lukewarm water. Once you've rinsed the filters off, we suggest you pat them down dry and reinsert them back into the same tracks that you removed them from. Outside of these few tips, if you have any other questions, please call a professional. To find a preferred partner in your area, you can visit efficiencynovascotia.ca.